Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to convert a file on iPhone to PDF. So go to your new note and then click this camera icon. You can choose a photo, video, take photo or video, or you can scan documents. So here I'm just scanning a document and then it will automatically crop, but you can adjust the way it crops the document like what I'm doing here. So after cropping this, you can also retake the document if you're not satisfied, or you can keep the scan. So in here, I'm just going to keep the scan and then I'll go edit it further if I'm not satisfied yet. The filter, so you have different options here. Just choose what is the most appropriate or what you prefer for your document to look like, and then you can also rotate this, and then after that you can also retake again, or you can just click done. Just click cancel if you're satisfied with the document, and then long press the document and then click share. So here you have to save it to files. Just scroll down, you will see save to files, and then you can click downloads and then go to your files app and then go to downloads folder, and then here you will see your scan document from your notes, and then you will see here that it's on PDF file already. So that's how you convert a file on iPhone to PDF. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.